just want to pick off where we were talking about preparing students for a future that we don't know what it's going to be like, right? And but my sense is technology is part of that future. It may be an overwhelming component of future. How do you see the use of technology and the teamwork skills that you talked about, the thinking skills that you talked about, and putting this whole thing together, technology with this thinking and teamwork skills? And how do you see the teachers integrating technology in their classrooms?
There are several ways in which our work interfaces with technology. One is just skill acquisition. So whether we're learning the components of a spreadsheet, or how to manipulate a spreadsheet, or how to do word processing, or any of the other skills, how to create a PowerPoint, any of those skills of technology, the structures that we use for any kind of skill work very well. So for example, we might do a sage and scribe, where one student is telling the other student what to do while the other student performs it, and then they switch roles so that everybody's active at once while they're learning their skills, while they're acquiring. And they get immediate feedback, because the teacher in the classroom can't be everywhere at once, but the students can be all providing immediate reinforcement and immediate feedback. So that's one area. Another area is communication. The students are going to need to communicate with each other after class as well as within class. Your work with Dynamice is an exciting new project that will allow them to communicate in class and to show the work that they're doing. We like to explore ways of having students use technology as a tool. There's nothing magic about the technology. I envision a time when textbooks will be pretty much something of the past, that it will be having students work more like they do in the real world, where they'll be searching things on the web, reporting back, but all of the work that they do as they acquire that information, whether it's off the web or off a textbook, they still need to analyze it, report it, and our structures come into play. So for example, while they're doing a project, each person might have a different role in the project that's internet-based. But now they have to synthesize it, and how are they going to report it? We could have one team in front of the class reporting to the class and all the other teams board. Or we could have every team presenting to another team, afterwards seeing how well it went, circulating to another team and improving their presentation skills. So our structures are very useful as we're either acquiring the skills of technology or using them to communicate or disseminate.